I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby boo. She a happy baby boo.
Ako na si Rom Kelshon Malayang. Oo. Ikaw si...
Yay!
So may kami tatlo lang na question para kami ko bang question mo. Pwede mo tatlo, di sa nano lang na language or yan. So ang una is, how can knowing about the human body help you make healthier choices in your daily life?
For me, knowing about the body, human body, maka-help you para sa human body help you make healthier choices. Kahit may nabala ka sa iyong lawa, syempre kabalo ka kung paano i-cure ka kung ano mga ulong ang i-ignore if may emergency na natapos.
Okay, so next is, can you think of a time when understanding how the body works helped you or someone you know deal with a health problem?
If may knowledge, as a student, mayara naman kinatuduan naman ta, so may knowledge na ta, so syempre if may emergency na matabo sa iban, pwede ta naka-acto yung minutes mo, may kabalo na ta kung ano natin.
Last is, how will learning about the human body help you in your future job as a BS-led professional?
BSTM.
BSTM.
So for me, if kay BSTM ko, so kung sa future, if maging tour guide ko, kag ang isa sa mga guest ko or isa sa mga nagugod sa isa ka tour, pwede ko sila mabuligan if may natabo pala sila may na-injure or something na emergency na kailangan ibalangin. So may knowledge na kung pwede ko sila ma-help na yun agad-agad na yun na isa first lang.
Salamat sila. That concludes our interview. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and experiences with us. Your insights have been really helpful in understanding how human anatomy and physiology affect real life experiences. We appreciate your time and effort. That's all. Thank you for watching.